Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will implement the simple implementation of an encryption and decryption system. Using the Fernet symmetric encryption method provided by the cryptography library in Python. This code allows you to encrypt and decrypt messages. First, make sure to install the cryptography library if you haven't already. Pip install cryptography. Class to handle encryption and decryption of messages. Generate a key for encryption and decryption. Create a Fernet cipher object using the key. Encrypt a message. Args, message, str, the message to encrypt. Returns, bytes, the encrypted message as bytes. Encode the message to bytes, then encrypt it. Decrypt a message. Args, encrypted underscore message, bytes, the message to decrypt. Returns, str, the decrypted message. Decrypt the message and decode it back to string. Main function to run the encryption system. Input message to encrypt. Encrypt the message. Decrypt the message. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.